In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn on ElevenLabs. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or someone interested in leveraging your vocal talents, understanding how to generate income through ElevenLabs can be a valuable skill. Let's dive into the process, step by step, to ensure you have a smooth and successful experience. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Next, you'll want to search for ElevenLabs in your search bar. Once the official ElevenLabs website pops up, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one by following the website's registration process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Now, to qualify for earning potential on ElevenLabs, make sure you're subscribed to the Creator Plan, which costs $22 a month. This plan is crucial because it unlocks the necessary features and tools you'll need to monetize your voice. Once that's set up, it's time to record your audio. ElevenLabs recommends recording at least 30 minutes of audio. However, for optimal quality and a more diverse library, aim for 2 to 3 hours of recording. Consider what topics, themes, or stories might showcase your vocal range best. After finalizing your recordings, upload them using the voice clone feature on the ElevenLabs platform. You'll find that the more varied and expressive your recordings are, the better they'll perform. To receive your earnings, you'll need to connect or register a Stripe Connect account. Stripe is a widely trusted payment platform, and linking this to your ElevenLabs account ensures that your financial transactions are secure and efficient. Take the time to carefully follow the prompts for setting up Stripe Connect to avoid any hiccups later on. Once everything is set up, enable financial rewards for your voice clones. This feature allows your voice to become a valuable asset. Share your voice clone in the voice library so others can access and utilize your creations. This library is where your voice can catch the attention of potential buyers looking for unique and versatile audio content. Finally, consider the various ways your voice clone can be used. Your recordings can be applied to create audiobooks, short stories, and educational videos. They can even be sold as digital products in diverse formats. Explore partnerships and collaborations, expanding your reach and increasing your potential for earnings. By sharing your voice clone strategically, you're opening up numerous possibilities for monetization. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to earn with ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to turning your creative vocal efforts into a rewarding source of income. Stay committed, explore different creative avenues, and watch your efforts grow in value. Good luck!